So what happens if you're not saving money on a daily basis? Is that a good thing, a bad thing, or not? If you're wondering, watch this video. Hey friends, Tahir with you, and I want to talk about the discipline of saving money. Now, I also have a video that says savers are losers. At the same time, the discipline of saving money so that a particular aspect of your earned income can go towards investments in asset classes. It's important. Re-listen to this. So the reason you need to do that, look, if you have a paycheck that comes out every week, then take a part of that money and keep it where you won't get to spend it. So that's a part of saving money. Money not spent is saved. And if you're getting paychecks every month, do the same. But if you're getting paychecks every day, please do that every day. Why is this important? Because if you don't do that, you would realize money is just gone. So again, if you agree with me, comment. If you disagree with me, comment as well. And please like, subscribe, and share this channel, this video with your friends. Thanks.